Promo lucha. Tonight, I go one-on-one with Fiona Nightingale. I've heard of you, but I don't know who you are. But I heard what you had to say. You want me and you to sit down, get to know each other, and have a friendship. Well, it's about goddamn time. Finally, somebody who actually wants to be a friend. Well, my sweet, it's good to meet ya. My name is Jekyll. Oh, sorry. Did I trick you? Good. Because here in the Promo Lucha Palace in Truth and Consequences, New Mexico, I'm not here to make friends. I'm here to whoop some ass. So here's what's going to happen. Since you are more concerned about making friends and being a friendship and getting to know each other, I'm going to beat your ass. And it's all going to start with the simple punch in the face. And then I'm going to Irish rip your ass into the corner. And while you're standing there, dazed, confused, trying to figure out what the hell is going on. Oh, remember, you're in a goddamn wrestling ring and you're facing fucking Jekyll. You're going to be standing there trying to realize who the hell you're going against. That's when I'm going to get up on the corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shots to your bloody ass fucking skull. And then I'm going to Irish rip you off the ropes. And only then will I grab you, pit of hell, knock your ass the fuck up, and I'm not going to end there. Nope. I'm going to pick up your fucking carcass, and I'm going to hit you with a tombstone. You see, I'm not here to make friends. I am here to whoop ass, make money, and get victories. But the fact of the matter is you're more concerned about being a friend and getting a friendship, getting to know each other. Fuck that bullshit. If you think that was going to take me off my game, then you're surely mistaken, madam. Fiona, just look at it this way. You wanted to meet a real-life Jekyll. Well, you have. You have, and he is ready for a fight, and he is ready to take your soul down to the depths of hell and burn it alive. See, all I want is to beat you up. All I want is to hurt you, and all I want is to put you in the hospital. I don't have any friends. I don't even have any fans. But that's the best part. Because without them, I am a lone wolf. And without them, I have survived. It's too bad. You're going to have to learn the hard way. Bye.